This conference will now be recorded.
So we are on 12th November, and we had this strategy of making 10,000 rupees every day uh, on an average by trading only in the Nifty 50 scripts. So here, after the market close, I'm just posting the results. Now we had a Nifty sell call, and whatever the calls we had, I've just typed it here, and I just said made a profit, something like that. And this I calculated at around 110, 130 within at that time. But the market fell down much further down than this after 130. So here, let me just calculate Nifty. Nifty sell, our entry was 10578. 10578 minus 10505. So that's around 73 points. 73 into 75. That's around 5,475 rupees. That is a profit. And let's take Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, our entry was 25738. The sell call got generated after the market opened, so you won't find this price on the tentative list what I sent in the morning. So it closed at 25585. So I'm just giving it to you approximately into 20 rupees. That's roughly around 3060 rupees. So that itself will give you around 8,000 rupees profit. Adani Ports buy call, we had 339.2. It made an upside of 345, 343.50. So that's roughly around 4.3 into 2,500 is the lot size. So that's around 10,750. And we had a sell call also in Adani Ports. It made 329 minus our entry was 332.40. So around 3.4 rupees into 2,500. And that is equal to 8,500 rupees. So there ends your targets. I mean, for 2 or 3 scripts, when your targets is already made. And now let's go to ASIANPAINT. 1285 minus 1298. So that's roughly around 13 rupees. Into 600 rupees is the lot size. That's 7,800 rupees profit. BAJAJAUTO, I'll give you the figure. Axis Bank actually made 609, 607. 609 was our entry sell call, and it made 607. So I did not type it here, but I'm just giving it to you for your information. 609 sell was the entry. This is the entry here, 609. It made 607, 2 rupees. 2 rupees into 1200, 2400 rupees on that. And let's take Bajaj Auto. Bajaj Auto, our sell entry was 2695, and it made a low of 2655. That was at the S2 level. It went further down. So that's around 40 rupees into 250. So that's 10,000 rupees. Bajaj FinServ buy call 5763, and it made an high of, let me just check the chart, 5764. Minus 5722 is the entry. So that's 41 rupees. 41 into Bajaj FinServ is 125 rupees. That's around 5,000 rupees, 5,125 profit. Bajaj FinServ sell call, again we had an entry that was 5696. It made 5546. So roughly around 120, 150 points, 150 into 125. So that's roughly around 87,000, 18,750. Bajaj Finance buy call did not trigger, but the sell call triggered. That is, I'm taking the final price 2286. The entry was 2349. So that's roughly around 63 rupees. Into 250. So that's 15,750. So this is one of the reason why you should be trading most of the scripts, because you'll be getting days like this when the market really falls, and you can make excellent profits. It's not only just trading for 10,000 rupees. You can definitely make much more than that. Uh, Now BPCL, I had a buy call, I had a sell call. Let me just take you through the sell call. Now BHARTIARTL was a profit. BPCL 295, 290, roughly around 5 rupees. So we had BPCL buy and sell. into 5.4 into 1800 is equal to 9,720. CIPLA made 640. Our entry was 533. That's 7,000 rupees. 1,000 rupees is the lot size. And we again had a sell call also. I'm not entering that. Coal India sell call 264. Well, let's say 265 also. Our entry was 267, 2 rupees. Coal India, that is 4,400 rupees. Dr. Reddy, it did not trigger the sell call. GAIL, the call triggered. So roughly around 2 rupees. I'm just approximately doing it. 2667 into 2. That's 5,300. GRASIM was very tough call. It made stop losses on both the ends. So let's not get into that. Not much of a loss there. So HDFC, we had a buy call. You can see it made 1833, and sell call made 1800. So 16 rupees into 500, 8,000 rupees here. And the buy call also we made a profit. HDFC Bank sell call made around 20 rupees. I'm just typing it for my ease. 20 into 250. So that's another 5,000 rupees. Heromoto was a very good call. 2841 minus 2909. 68 rupees into 200. That's 13,600 rupees. Hindalco was also a very good call. Around 6 rupees on Hindalco into 3,500. That's 21,000. Hind Petro also was a very good call. That's roughly 7 into 1575. HUL we had an sell call. 1666. So roughly around 6 rupees here. Six into 600, 3,600. So these are the profits that we have made on this leg, and to be calculating the other side, the India Bulls, we had an buy call in the morning. It made 880. Our entry was 869 minus 880. So 11 into 500, 5,500 rupees on India Bulls Housing Finance. ICICI Bank, we had a sell call 53, 54, 1.5. I'm just calculating it directly from the Excel. I'm not checking the stop losses there. So 1.5 into 2,750. That's 4,125. IndusInd Bank made 1516. So roughly around 9 rupees. That is a buy call. Nine into 300, 2,700. Infratel was a very good call. It got into a trend today. 265.60 was its entry, and it made 258. That's 7.6 into 1,700. That's nothing but 12,920 rupees on Infratel. Infi buy call made 7 rupees. So that is 7 into 1,200. And again the sell call made 668. I think that's a wrong entry there. If we sell 669, it made 666. So roughly around 3 rupees there. 7 into 1200. I'm just randomly doing it. That's 8,400. ITC, it took a trend today. 277.60. That was the entry. And it made 274.70. So roughly around 3 rupees into 2,400. That's 7,200 rupees there. Kotak Bank, we had a buy 1146, 1157, let's say 10 rupees. 10 into 800. ₹8,000. Buy call made an stop loss, LNT. And again, LNT, we had a sell call also. Lupin 874 minus 861. So that's 13 rupees. Into 700 is the lot size. So that's 9,100 rupees here. M&M, it made 780. So roughly around 11 rupees. 11 into 1000 is equal to 11,000 rupees. Maruti buy we had 7315. 7330, that is 15 rupees there, and the sell side it made 7084, and the Reliance sell we had 1076, 1088, so roughly around 10-12 rupees here. 12 into 500, that's around 6,000 rupees on Reliance. And we had SBI 282, that's roughly around 4 rupees. 4 into 3,000, that's roughly 12,000 rupees on SBI. Sun Pharma made 588.65. So if you just calculate all these things, we had double the calls. Ultratech is one buy call. We had a buy call and we had even a sell call also. Sell call gave us profits. Vedanta, you can see around roughly around 4 rupees in Vedanta. Yes Bank sell call, we had this Z, and other than this we had ONGC, we had Asha Motors. So these are the calls that we had for today. So if you just calculate all these profits, if you have around roughly around 2 lakh rupees in your account, you could have traded most of the scripts, because there are multiple calls. That is a buy call and a sell call and a single script like HDFC, HDFCBANK, INFI, Maruti, these kind of calls where you get a call, you make that, you reach the target, exit that, your margin is free, and again you can enter into the other leg and then you can make money on that also. So to overall say that your strategy of 10,000 rupees every day, you can definitely make. I mean, if you can just add up this four numbers, it makes more than 10,000 rupees. So having the margin and a broker who is giving you good margins will definitely you can definitely make the 10,000 rupees every day. So this is a day one. Let's count it as day one. Last week I wanted to do it, but we had this holidays, so I did not want to lose the continuity, so I did not do that. But here, so from today, that is Monday, it was very uncertain how the markets were going to behave. But finally, at the end of the day, we have reached our targets. And if you just take one script also, like BAJAJAUTO or HEROMOTOCO or HINDALCO or HINPetro, these are all made in a single trade. You could have come out with your targets. So this is what I wanted to say. This is on 12th November. Let's see how the market reacts tomorrow, because we'll be again working tomorrow also. I'll post the results and I'll give the tentative entry prices for tomorrow morning. And if there are any changes, we'll do the changes, and you can see it live tomorrow. Like we had a problem with GoToMeeting today in the morning, so I've shifted all these things into a different system. So that's the reason why I'm able to make this video. But tomorrow you'll be able to see live how the market opens and how I am making the entries of the prices, and how to book the. I'll tell you the profits. I'll tell you the stop losses. So you'll be able to trade. I mean, we have another 4 days in this week, so we'll continuously do it. So that's it for today. Thank you.